Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ER camera not working on the application of Pokémon Go. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Pokémon Go and you will click. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.